Hi, my name is Regis Polinelli. I'm a breast surgeon in Brazil. We organized in the last 8 years in a virtual and hands-on course here in Brazil in our cancer hospital. There were over 100 surgeons that came to us that did this training with us. Some are breast surgeons, other plastic surgeons, other surgical oncologists. And we are very proud to have many former attendees doing a very good job in different parts of Brazil, in different parts of the world, being able to offering better oncological treatment and a better aesthetic quality and a better quality of life for our dear patients with breast cancer. I invite you all to join us to take part in this course, and I'm sure that it will change your life and lives of your patients. Thank you, and join us.